Okay, now let's take a look at a couple of these questions here. How many pairs of each type of angles do two lines and a transversal form? So what we need to do is we need to kind of visualize or write out what two lines and a transversal form. So it would look something like this. So basically you have your two lines and then a transversal intersecting those two lines. And then you would have your accordingly all your angles. So that's the first thing that we need to do. So the second thing we need to do is look at number 25. It's asking, would it basically have an alternate interior angles? So again, alternate interior angles are non-adjacent interior angles that lie on opposite sides of the transversal. So two pairs would be your alternate interior angles. They would be your 3 and 6 because you have alternate interior, and then you have your 4 and 5. So for number 25, yes, you would have alternate interior angles. You would have two of them, the 3 and 6 and the 4 and 5. All right. The next question, number 26. So it's asking, would it have a corresponding angles? All right, so again, we're going to look at our little graph that we created. And corresponding angles lie on the same side of the transversal corresponding positions. So we actually would have 4 pairs of the corresponding angles on the same side. It would be 1 and 5. It would be your 2 and 6. It would be your 3 and 7. And it would be your 4 and 8. Since they are on the same side on the transversal and the corresponding positions. So the answer would be yes, all those. All right, alternate exterior angles. All right, we're going to look at the same thing again, just as an example. Alternate exterior angles are non-adjacent exterior angles lie on the opposite sides. So again, we have two. So they would be the exterior angles on the opposite sides. So that would be 1 and 8 because they're the exterior. And they would be 2 and 7. So your exterior on the opposite side of the transitional. So that's how you would know that. And our last one here on number 28, it's asking, would it have any vertical lines? Okay. So vertical, not lines, angles, sorry. Vertical angles, two angles whose sides are opposite rays. So we would have 4. You would have your 1 and 4 up here, opposite of the rays, 2 and 3. So just like this, being mirrored over here, it would be 5 and 8 and 6 and 7. So yes, you would also have vertical angles. 1, 4, 2, 3, 5, 8, and 6, 7. Hope that helps. And if you want on the recreation, it's asking you and your friend driving go-karts, 2 different tracks. Drive on a straight line section heading east. Your friend passes above you on a straight section heading south. Are these sections of the tracks parallel, skew, or neither? Well, you could draw similar to what we've done here. You could draw something similar to that, but it would basically be a line that's straight and then an underpass, which would be angled. So the 2 sections of the tracks are non-coplanar or not parallel because it'd be kind of like one line would be this way and one would be this way. So they're not parallel and they do not intersect. All right. So basically the answer would be skew because you would have your first line or lane going up and your buddy's lane coming underneath you and an underpass. So number 29 would be a skew.